Previously, I showed you how you can create a simple connection of Python with Autodesk Robot, how to use examples, and now I would like to show you how you can use AI Claude to create a simple and more advanced models and use the advantage of the newest technology of AI. I wrote a short prompt, which probably could be much better, but I think this should be sufficient to create a timber roof truss geometry, and I listed a few assumptions. So single truss, 2D plane, 12 meters of span, slope of 20 degrees, beam elements, C24 for the material, sections to be rectangular filled, span, number of division and slope shall be adjustable for user. Let's assume it's a modular structure. Truss should include both vertical and diagonal members. Output should be a Python file with code for user to execute. I will now initiate Claude and then basically just copy paste the prompt. Okay, so we can see that Claude was working for approximately 6 minutes. And right now it's asking for permission to create a file. It's fine to give it a full permission for this session. And task looks finished. So let's see what Claude wrote. Entire process took approximately 7 minutes. He gave us a nice summary of what was created. Bottom chord, top chord, verticals and diagonals, quantity and sections. And he listed key design choices. Let's see how the file looks like. Okay, so there is a doc string at the top with some explanation. All the code looks nicely formatted. Okay, let's try and execute this code. For this, I will create a new blank model and I will just double check what code he assumed for DLL path. Okay, this seems correct. So right now I feel free to execute the file. Okay, my environment needs to catch up. I can retry. Okay. Okay, structure looks complete. We have truss with nice geometry. There are vertical members, diagonals, horizontal members. Let me rotate it. It looks quite nice. And we also received a nice summary after geometry is calculated. And also Code provided us some additional steps required for later. Okay, I hope this example showed you how you can use Claude for basic geometry creation, and I hope you will try it in future. Thanks for watching.